SVL97-2. We just put brand new tracks on it, the Q pattern. It's a high flow machine, enclosed cab. Got the motor bucket, side cover, low on cutting edge, 9-point disconnect. Very, very nice. Very low hours, 500 hours. Closed cab, air conditioning, heat, backup camera. Got a radio, AM, FM, Bluetooth. Go ahead, Jayan. A little bit of a high capacity bucket. If somebody didn't want a little bigger bucket, we put small buckets. It's got brand new wide pattern tracks. We took these off of my little machine, or we're selling them, I think. It's got very, very nice machine. It's loaded for bear. It's got all the options. High flow machine. With the cage drain and a 14 plug electric. It's got the wide 18-inch tracks. It's original. Like that camera. Beat up, banged up, or anything. Hydraulic disconnect. It does have KUBOTA warranty on it. Backup camera. Disconnect, air conditioning, heat, Bluetooth, AM, FM, stereo, foot throttle, knob throttle, 549 hours. All the glass is good. It's even got big time full warranty to 27, 4,000 hours. So it's got a lot of KUBOTA warranty on it. Got the big handles.